we started off with looking at what our AI policy is, right? So we developed an AI policy, and we have a committee that helps us continue to develop and monitor, right? So it's important for us to be proactive and adaptable, right? I think those are the two things that we have to do. Our compliance team takes the lead on this. So when we're writing up a policy, we know that our compliance team oversees the policy. We have a committee in place that helps us make decisions about how we're going to use the technology, whether that's Helios or any other product that comes along, and any other features within, even features within the same product. We go through a discussion process. Our committees or people that contribute to the policy are not just executives, right? We have a cross-functional team that helps guide that policy. But besides policy, I think it's really important to think about how you're going to audit and how you're going to handle compliance of the policy. Because so a lot of times in IT, we love writing policies. People will disagree. A lot of IT people don't like writing policies. But once the policy is written, doesn't mean it's filed away somewhere, right? So there's a whole process in which we make sure that anytime we are either looking at a new feature or there's been a change with the product, that we review the policy and see how well it still aligns with it. So the compliance and the audit part is super important.